Hello, good morning students. I am your English teacher Sudha ma'am, and I hope you all are good and you all have completed all your online test papers. Now today I will start a short revision. As you all know that on 15th of May we will run online classes. So it's a request to all the students of Mangla Public School and all the parents to please cooperate and proceed for online classes. Thank you. Now I will explain a short revision, as in a short revision of your English subject for class first. Now here we have vowels and consonants, and my first topic will be alphabets. Now in alphabets we have capital letters and small letters. Here on the screen you can see there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Now I will also show you a short picture in a book of capital letters and small letters. Now these are called capital letters and these all are small letters. Now first I want to show that after the alphabets we have the first topic, vowels and consonants. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet family. Among the alphabets or letters we have vowels and consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The letters other than vowels are called consonants. Consonants, they are totally 21 and vowels are 5. In vowels are those alphabets or those letters through which we can pronounce or utter the words perfectly. For example, B-A-L-L, ball. Now here we have A, the vowel. Insect, I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. Now in this word you have a vowel I and E. In the word E-double-G, egg. Here we have E as a vowel. In the word glue, G-L-U-E. In this word we have a vowel U-E. Example, book, B-double-O-K, book. In this word we have the vowel double O. So all these examples are the example of vowels. Now we come on consonant topic. Now consonants are these alphabets B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K. Then we have L, M, N, P, Q, R. And then we have S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. As I said before, there are 21 consonants. Okay. Now in consonants there are examples I have given here. Baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. Now you already know that A is a vowel and the letters other than vowels, those are B, B and Y are consonants. So I have already mentioned over here, as you can see, the letters other than the vowels are called consonants. And then let's see the next example. A-double-P-L-E. So double P is the consonant and L. And you know that A and E are vowels. Now next is vase. V-A-S-E. Now A and E are consonants, right? So we have V and S as A and E are vowels, sorry. And so we have V and S as consonants. Now next, table. T-A-B-L-E. This is table. So A and E are vowels. So other than our T, B and L called what? Consonants. Now I want to proceed to the next topic, which is use of A and An. Now as you have studied vowels and consonants, I want to tell you that where we use A and where we use An. An are used for the words which start with vowels, and A are used for consonants. Use of yes and no. Now yes means, in Hindi if you see, yes means हाँ, and in Hindi no means नहीं. I just want to show you one picture and then you can answer the questions in yes or no. Now see here, use of yes and no. Now you're seeing a picture of a boy in this book. Now I'm asking you, is this a boy? So what will you give me the answer as? You will say, yes, this is a book. Boy. Excuse me, yes, this is a boy. Now next I will ask, is he carrying a ball? Can you see that he is not carrying a ball? He is having a bat in his hand. So we will say, no, he is carrying a bat. Next question, is this a good bat? Yes, this is a good bat. Now if I ask you the same other question, is this a girl? No, this is a boy. Which game you can see he's playing? Is he playing a cricket? Yes, he is playing a cricket. Now, is he playing in the room? No, he is playing in the ground. Is he looking happy? Yes, he is looking happy. You can see the boy smiling. Yes,